Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block I'm going to be making you guys or showing you guys how to cook the best bacon asparagus sauteed in the pan. Alright, now here's my asparagus and they kind of thick. So sometimes you may run into some thick ones or some thin ones. Okay, here's my bacon right here. I have 2 oranges. These are actually tangerines or whatever. Cuties they call them. And this is a lime. I'm going to be using in that also. I have some black pepper. I have some garlic granulated. And I have some granulated onion. Okay? And we probably dust it with a little salt. I actually ain't gonna put no salt in it because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fry this bacon up. And we're gonna cook this sauteed it in that bacon grease. And you know bacon have salt in it, so that's what we're gonna use. Alright, this is what you wanna do. You wanna take this just like this. This is how I do it. You can do it in sections or whatever. I might as well go ahead and do it in a section. Put them like this. They get even. Now this part right here is tough. Okay, so I'll take that part off. Okay, I will discard that part. It is tough, trust me. If you have not made no asparagus before, it's tough. It's woody, very woody. So we'll put that over there. We're just going to like chop these. Okay? So we'll go about like this. In 3s. Just like so. I did wash mine already. We just put those in a bowl and we'll do these. So right now, only thing we're going to do with these is pretty much blanch them. We have to blanch them first. Gotta take this woody part off. Please take it off. You're going to be disappointed. I'm telling you now. I want falafel going right down there. No worries. So we're going to pick that up, guys. And we're going to wash that bad boy right back off. Boy, love asparagus. Especially with that bacon or lemon juice or any type of citrus you can put on it. Right there. Alright, and that's what we got right there. We're going to take you over there. We're going to go ahead and blanch this. And I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Here's my bacon. I chopped up half of it. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and throw that in there. Turn this thing on. You don't want no smoke. Breaking it up like this. Alright. So we put some salt in this water right here. For my asparagus. Just a little bit. So this is sea salt. Right here. Alright. Now we want to take these, stir this up a little bit. So we're going to be sitting in one spot. I'm going to pour this in here. Okay? And like I said, we just blanching. Okay, that shouldn't take no more than about good 5 minutes. Okay? I'm turning that back up. Let this bacon cook up. This bacon shouldn't take no more than probably about 3 or 4 minutes. Just depending on how high yours is. Mine was medium low. Well, it was at medium, so I had to turn it down. Alright. So when this stuff gets done, probably about the next 3 minutes. I don't like mine extra crispy or nothing like that. So when this gets done, I'm gonna take it out, and this will be done in probably about 5 to 10 minutes. And I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, this is done. I'm gonna turn this off till that gets done. It looks like we got a lot of bacon grease in there. Now, I'm not going to fry it with all of that grease. Some of that grease got to come up out of there. Alright, that's the bacon right there. Alright. And see all that grease in there? I ain't trying to fry it no more. I'm trying to sear it. Yeah, we can't fry it. We're just trying to sear it. That's all. Alright guys, see you guys when that stuff get done over there, them asparagus in a minute. Okay guys, that is done. We wanted a little al dente. So I tried to grab the biggest one, see that? Got some give to it. So that is done. Turn this off. And I'm going to use a strainer, colander. And let this dry out a little bit. Okay, and I'll show you guys what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm putting about 2 tablespoons of this oil in here. This is bacon fat. Just like so. Move that around up in here. Okay. And I got my asparagus. Making sure that's dry a little bit anyway. Just like that. I'm going to pick those up. Saute these up. For about just 2-3 minutes. Turn this on medium. Now I was going to use that other the other pepper. I'm going to go ahead and go with this pork restaurant pepper, pork black pepper. Matter of fact, I'm doing it wrong already. You go with some balsamic vinegar. Just a tad, just like that. Not a lot at all. Now we come with the pepper, like a quarter, like so. Onion, quarter, garlic, like a quarter, like that. That balsamic gives a little edge to it. Alright, we're going to turn this up a little bit. want zest of some of this orange peel. Left with some lime. That fragrance. Ooh, it's amazing. Amazing. I'm gonna tell you. Alright. Here's half of this lime. My squeezer. Put that in there. Squeeze that on there. Like so. Turn this off. So we're done with that. Just brown in there. Alright, tangerine. Oh, you can use the orange too now. I just only had a tangerine. So, I'm going to squeeze some of that in there. Give a little sweetness to it. I can get some more of that out of here. Now, if you have some Parmesan cheese, you can put that on there. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on there because I got other cheese coming with some of my other stuff. You just put a little bit of that in there. Just a crumb. Okay? That's it. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and plate this up and show you what we got in a minute. Okay guys, there it is. Alright. That's it. That's my take. From my home to yours. So guys, please give me a like, share, and please subscribe to the channel. And yes, once again, don't forget to hit that bell. Okay? Yep. Hit that bell so you too can be notified when I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. I'm out. Thank you for watching.